Today I'm going to show you one of the easiest and fastest iPhone tricks. How to send images from Safari directly to WhatsApp without downloading them to your phone. This method saves time, saves storage, and honestly, most people don't even know it exists. So, let's start. First, open the Safari browser on your iPhone. In the search bar, type anything you want to find. For example, I'm searching for iPhone images. Safari will load a bunch of pictures, just like usual. Now here's where the trick starts. Find the image you want to send and press and hold it. Don't tap. Actually hold your finger on it until it lifts up. Once it lifts, drag it toward the corner of your screen and keep your finger there. Now, while you're still holding that image, use your other hand to tap on more images. Every image you tap will automatically join the stack in the corner. Now, while still holding the images, simply swipe up with your other hand to go back to the home screen. Your images will stay attached to your finger the whole time. Pretty cool, right? Next, open WhatsApp. Choose the chat where you want to send the images. And once you're inside the chat, just release your finger. All the images you selected will instantly drop into the chat and start uploading. No downloading, no saving to camera roll, no extra steps. Just drag, hold, and drop. This is one of the smoothest ways to share images quickly, especially when you don't want to fill up your storage with unnecessary downloads. So, next time you need to send reference photos, wallpapers, or any kind of images from Safari, use this trick. It's fast, easy, and super efficient. Try it out once and you'll probably never go back to the old method again.